Hey guys, what's up? This is Bin. Today's video is how to put quick dimensions in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Okay, let's go. So our example is shapes. The first one is octagon, square, triangle, and diamond. We are going to put dimensions in these shapes. So the first command is upload. Type app, then enter. Then this window will pop up. Look for PDIM. Then load and close. I will leave the link in the description so you can use it on your project. So let's take an example of this octagon. But first, you must check your dim style. So type D for dim style. By default, it is annotative. So if you have custom dim style, you can use it and set as current, then close. Then after that, you can use the customize command. So type PDIM, hit enter, then choose the object. Okay, that's nice. So you have now dimensions on each sides of the object. We are going to do the same thing to this square shape. Okay, type in PDIM, then choose the object, then hit enter. Then you'll see that it has dimensions on each sides. Let's try another one. This triangle. Okay. And also the last one. Then that's it. Easy to follow. Quite easy, right? This command works really well on shapes. That's all for today, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Comment down below, guys, if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.